Hi, welcome back to Art by Brooke. Today's video is dedicated to Jazz and Rotolo. They are awesome and I wanted to do a video in their honor. So I heard that Jazz likes purple and green, which is so exciting because I love those colors as well. So I am going to use those in a puddle pour. Puddle pours are great if you are using colors that are on opposite sides of the color wheel because you get the beautiful contrast of the two different colors, but it's a lot easier to keep from mixing the colors, which would create kind of a muddy color. Basically, I will pour the colors out onto the canvas straight, not into a cup, and do gentle layers of them, and then tilt it around and get a pattern. I usually like to kind of run my finger through the petals after I have them on, and that creates some cool effects as well. So I am still using my leftover paints. For this one, I'm going to use FolkArt Color Shift in Green Flash, FolkArt Enamel in Lime Green, FolkArt Metallic Plum, DecoArt African Violet, and Golden Titanium White. Now I used all of these paints in my 60 color paint pour, so they're already mixed with Floetrol. Whoa, look at all those crazy patterns. This is super fun. I'm going to let it sit for a little while and then we'll take a closer look. Okay, so this has been sitting for a few minutes, so let's look a little closer. I love the white kind of streaking through here. Instead of going my normal pattern, I'm going to kind of follow some of the patterns on here. And then down here, this is really neat. Kind of this green snaking through the purple. And then here's where we get some craziness as it comes through the middle. Very neat. And then I love this part. So the bright green on top of the dark green, which sits behind purple, kind of makes it look like it's backlit. I really like that. And then you have some little tiny cells in here. And then down here you see some more green over purple, and you see some of the metallics. The green color shift, when it dries, will shift between kind of a green and like a yellow gold. And then the purple is mostly just a metallic purple, but I think it'll add some really pretty shine. Something I'm noticing on this is this white over here, because it's kind of a square, it almost keeps looking like a glare on my camera. It's kind of funny. I keep seeing out of the corner of my eye and thinking my window's open or something like that. It'll be interesting to see when it dries if those two look like kind of a shine, like a glare, or what they look like when they're dry. Follow me on my Instagram account to see my dry paintings, and if I ever forget to post something there and you're waiting to see it, go ahead and message me and just let me know. Sometimes I forget or something takes so long to dry that I didn't realize I hadn't done it yet. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the bell so you get a notification every time I post a new video. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment down below. What do you think about puddle pours? Is there a technique you'd like to see me try next? Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. So I just opened my blinds, and I wanted to do a little clip at the end of the video to show you the metallics, because they weren't showing up as well on my regular lights. I don't know if you can see the green in here, right in the middle there. So pretty. And then some more of the purple over here. Sparkles. I love it. So yeah, this is going to be super pretty when it dries. Bye!